Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. $1 million question which everyone is asking. Will Mehul Choksi be brought to India this time? Will he be deported from Dominica to India? And no one seems to have answer of this $1 million question. Why? Because the case is now stuck in legalities. And today I'm going to talk about what these legalities are, why it will be difficult for India to bring back Mehul Choksi, or why this is a golden opportunity for India to bring Mehul Choksi by any means. Apart from that, I will also show you the photographs of Mehul Choksi, his injury marks, the alleged injury marks, and also the Indian officials who flew to Dominica in an aircraft and later on now they are pursuing the case. So, a quick update what is happening in the case. Remember, Mehul Choksi is in quarantine as per the order of Dominican court. The next hearing will take place on June 2nd, and till then Mehul Choksi cannot be repatriated to any country, be it Antigua or be it Dominica. The lawyers are fighting this case for Mehul Choksi, the Dominican lawyers, and what they are uh, trying to convince the court that Mehul Choksi should be sent back to Antigua because he is an Antiguan citizen and he should not be deported to India. The third important point is that the Antiguan PM has now come out making some sensational claims saying Mehul Choksi was, he was funding the opposition party in Antigua so that if the opposition party wins the upcoming election, then he can be, he can be someone like a free citizen of Antigua. There will be no case pursued against him. That is what he has alleged. So all this we'll talk about in detail. But first about the photographs. Now, yesterday I was sent some photographs about of Mehul Choksi with the alleged torture marks. So how he sustained the torture mark, that story I will tell you later, but first let me show you the photographs. So this is Mehul Choksi behind bars, looks like a, this is the photograph you can see. So this is Mehul Choksi. It appears to me like he is in a lockup in Antigua, Antiguan jail, and he seems to be like a common prisoner. Okay, that is what he appears to me. Now these are the injury marks on his hand, and what they have alleged that these injury marks occurred to Mehul Choksi while he was being abducted. So these are the injury marks of Mehul Choksi. I thought it will be interesting for you to get an understanding that how this case is pursuing. And there is one more photograph. It is also injury marks of Mehul Choksi wearing a sky blue shirt, I suppose, and you can see a lock at the door. So these are the photographs of Mehul Choksi. Now, in the sequence, I will tell you what happened. 23rd May 2021, Mehul Choksi leaves from his apartment, and his apartment is on the coast of Antigua. So he leaves the apartment around 5:15 p.m. and according to allegation, Mehul Choksi was then abducted, possibly by the agents of India in collaboration with the Antiguan police. That is the allegation. I am not saying this is true. This is the allegation by Mehul Choksi. So he leaves his Jolly Harbour residence around 5:15 p.m. He is abducted by allegedly by Indian and Antiguan officials, and later on he was taken to a vessel, a 60 to 70 feet long vessel, and there he was tortured. Now the lawyers claim that Mehul Choksi was beaten up, he was roughed up by the people, and later on he was given electric shock also. These are the allegations by the lawyers of Mehul Choksi. Now the bruises, the injury marks are on his hand, the wrist, you saw the photographs, and he also has injury marks on his eyes. This is what they claim. And later on, after 2 days, He was in vessel for more than a day. Later on, he was taken to Dominica, where the police was already waiting for him, and he was given to Dominican police. He was shown as arrest. Now there is another version by the Antiguan authorities and by the Dominican authorities. So what Antiguan authorities are claiming that Mehul Choksi went missing around 5:15 p.m. There was a police report filed that he is missing. The entire area was searched. It's a very small country. The entire area was searched and he was not traced. His car was traced, but Mehul Choksi was not traced, and later on they came to know that Mehul Choksi has been arrested by the Dominican police. Now, the Prime Minister of Antigua, Mr. Gaston Brown, he has alleged that Mehul Choksi was basically going on a holiday with his girlfriend. I don't know who this girlfriend is, but that is what the Antiguan PM was heard saying to a person during an interview. So what he said, that Mehul Choksi was basically going on a trip with his girlfriend, and later on he was caught by the Dominican police. Who this girlfriend is, I have no details. Now the Dominican police, I am giving the third theory. The Dominican police said that they got to know about a person who is in their area, and while the coastal police, the police deployed at the coast area of Dominica, it is again a very small Caribbean nation. So the police at the coast saw a person disposing of some documents. He was throwing the documents in sea, and when they approached and asked that who you are, where are you from, and where do you want to go, Mehul Choksi did not reply to any of the questions. He was not able to produce any documents that he is legally or illegally in Dominica, and later on he was arrested. There were professional scuba divers deployed by the Dominican police to search and trace those documents, but it was not found in the sea. So this is what the Dominican police are saying. So these are the three theories, and based on the first theory that he was abducted, tortured, and then in a staged conspiracy he was arrested by the Dominican police, an appeal was filed before the Dominican court, and in that appeal they alleged that the allegations you already heard, I don't want to repeat again and again, but the main part was that it is a matter of it is a matter where human right of a person has been compromised, and that is why he should be sent back to Antigua. Now he can be sent back to Antigua. That is what the Dominican authorities also said. There was a press release from the Dominican police and the Dominican Home Ministry, in which they said that Mr. Mehul Choksi can be repatriated to Antigua. That is what they claimed. But Antiguan Prime Minister Gaston Brown called the Dominican government and said that send this man to India. Do not send him back to Antigua because he is not a lawful citizen in our country. So at present, what is happening? This legal case is in Dominica, Dominican court, and Dominican court has decided that can he be sent to India or can he be sent to Antigua. This is what the Dominican court has to decide. But here comes the second part which I was talking about, the Indian authority, the Indian officials. So I was told by someone that an Antiguan plane, a plane has been spotted from India, and it landed in Dominica on May 28th. So I have the photograph of the plane also. I will just show you 1 second. Yeah. So this is a plane. I'll explain what the plane is, what is the importance of this plane, but have a good look at this, at this aircraft. So this is Bombardier aircraft 5000, 13-seater capacity, and it is a flight from Qatar Executive. So once I got this photograph, so I started looking for the flight history. Nowadays it is very easy to find a flight history of any commercial or a private chartered flight. So once I went through the flight history, I'll show you how I tried to confirm this. So this is the flight history. It will be difficult for you to read, but I will read it for you. So the important part is, on 27th May 2021, around 9:28, the flight departed from Doha and landed at 3:12 p.m. at Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. On 28th May, it departed at around 3:44 a.m. early morning from Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, and it reached Madrid at around 10:07 CEST. And again on the same day, 28th May 2021, it again, I think it stopped for refueling, I think, or maybe to take someone, and at around 11:32 CEST, it left Madrid and reached Dominica at around 1:16 AST, again on 28th May 2021. Now, why this flight is important? This flight is important because this flight carried possibly some Indian officials from Delhi and maybe from Madrid also, and then it flew to Dominica with some documents. Now, the information which I have got from my sources, that this flight carried some documents in form of evidence, and these evidence are against Mehul Choksi. So what is happening, my friends, is that the Indian authorities in Dominica are trying to convince the Dominican authorities. Possibly through the prosecution, they will try to submit some documents before the Dominican court to prove that Mehul Choksi is a mastermind of 13,000 crore bank fraud case. He is someone who is wanted in India, and based on these documents, the Indian authorities will try to prove their case, and they will try to convince that Mehul Choksi should be sent back to India and not to Antigua or any other country. So this is what the Indian authorities are trying to prove at this point of time. As we speak, I am sure that the officials are still working in Dominica. Now, the important point here is that if India proves before the Dominican authorities, and if these documents are able to satisfy the Dominican court, then Mehul Choksi will be sent directly to India, and this will be a big win, not only for government, not only for Indian authorities, but also for the entire country. Because remember, this Mehul Choksi, accused of 13,000 crore bank fraud case, is absconding since January 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. More than 4 years he's absconding. So if he goes back to Antigua, remember, the case will stuck for almost 3 to 4 years, because still the lower court is yet to decide on his extradition case in Antigua, which he is already fighting. Later on, if the order comes from Antigua's lower court in favor of India, then again he will approach the High Court and then the Supreme Court, and then the on humanitarian ground, the European Human Rights Commission. If we start using these legal options, then it will take 4 or 5 years for the Indian authorities to bring back Mehul Choksi to India, and this is what India would not like to use this as an option, because this is a golden opportunity where Mehul Choksi can be brought to India. You must have heard that there are some people saying that because he is an Antiguan citizen, he should be sent back to Antigua or any other place. No, these all things are false. Any person wanted by any country, can be sent from any country. What I meant to say, there was a phone call, so I got confused, a little distracted. So the rule is, if any person is wanted by any country, and if he has been caught by a law enforcement of any other country based on an Interpol notice, then he can be deported to that particular country, or he can be extradited. Extradition is basically if you have a treaty with the country, but there is no need of extradition if deportation can take place. So Mehul Choksi is illegally in Dominica. He is an illegal citizen, and he can be deported to India as per the Interpol rules. So, the best bet for India is to get Mehul Choksi deported to India as soon as possible. So this is what is happening in Mehul Choksi's case. Now the third point, I'll make it very quick. In Dominica, the Prime Minister, is in communication with the Indian authorities and the Antiguan authorities. But the Prime Minister of Antigua, he has been making several remarks. In the latest sensational claim, he said that Mehul Choksi was basically funding the opposition party in Dominica, and he was funding the opposition party so that if they win in the upcoming election, then Mehul Choksi can be allowed to stay in Antigua and there will be no case pursued against him. This is what they have alleged. While the opposition party is saying that he is an Antiguan citizen, he has come under the investment scheme, so the Prime Minister has no right to ask Dominican authorities to send Mehul Choksi back to India or deport to India, because he is a citizen of Antigua and he has all the rights in Antigua. He has all the rights in Antigua as a citizen, so he should use his rights. So this is what is happening in Antigua. But the most important point I want to make is that the Indian authorities are trying their best to get back Mehul Choksi, because I believe, as a journalist, I believe, because I have covered this case from day one, I believe that this is a golden opportunity, and if everything goes well, then Mehul Choksi will be in India within few days. 2nd June, the next hearing. It might take few more days for the court to decide where Mehul Choksi should be sent, but if everything goes well, then it will come in favor of India. That is what I believe and I also want. Thank you so much for watching this.